The open road lies silent under the evening sky. And then, from the horizon, it appears, a vision of glass and motion gliding through the desert like a living sculpture. This is the Lucid Origin Motorhome, a futuristic palace on wheels that blurs the line between architecture and art. Its jet-black body curves with aerodynamic precision, chrome frames ripple like liquid steel around panoramic decks. Bands of golden light trace its silhouette, giving the illusion that the vehicle itself breathes with the sunset. Every element of the exterior speaks of balance, 6 precision-forged wheels carrying a shell of reflective glass, structural ribs flowing like veins through its frame. It's not simply designed to move, it's engineered to mesmerize. But the real story of the Lucid Origin begins when the doors slide open and you step inside. The journey starts in the Eclipse Chamber, the bedroom where technology and tranquility coexist. A low, floating bed hovers above a dark reflective floor, framed in soft amber light. The tones of gray and black wrap the room in quiet calm, while thin LED arcs trace the ceiling's curves like streams of molten gold. The window, slim and tinted, filters the daylight into a warm, cinematic glow. Every surface hides storage, seamless, silent, invisible, leaving only comfort in view. Here, the world outside disappears, replaced by silence and starlight. From there, you move into the Goldline dressing cabin, compact, refined, and beautifully composed. Matte graphite cabinetry meets brushed gold handles. A rectangular mirror glows softly from within, its edges haloed in amber. Beneath it, a sculpted vanity and ivory stool wait under the calm hum of hidden LEDs. Everything feels deliberate, measured luxury for the modern traveler. The corridor opens into the Amber Flow Lounge, a sanctuary of design and serenity. Twin gray sofas face one another across a black glass table that seems to float on light. Golden strips run along the ceiling, following the architecture's gentle curvature, while muted tones cushion the space in warmth. The windows stretch long and low, letting in just enough of the world without ever breaking the intimacy of the interior. This isn't a living area, it's a retreat carved in motion. Next, the Horizon Core Galley, a kitchen sculpted for both form and function. Black marble counters meet white-veined stone backsplashes, illuminated by champagne LED lines. Every cabinet opens at a touch, revealing smart storage and hidden appliances. 2 white stools rest against a curved dining bar, their chrome bases reflecting the gold light beneath. The scent of espresso and polished wood lingers, proof that even minimalism can feel alive. Up ahead, the Amber Focus Chamber, a workspace designed for precision. A single desk with gold trim faces the tinted glass window, a laptop and notebook neatly placed beside a steaming cup of coffee. The chair, ivory leather, ergonomic, and refined, adjusts seamlessly to your posture. Around you, subtle lighting creates an aura of concentration. It's more than an office, it's command and stillness. Then the mood deepens as you step into the Obsidian Glow Pod, the bathroom that feels like a 5-star spa. Polished black marble wraps the walls, glowing under recessed amber light. The vanity floats above the floor, crowned with an illuminated mirror that reflects quiet opulence. The glass-enclosed shower gleams with gold trim, while a sculpted soaking tub sits beneath a soft pool of light. Even the floor seems alive, mirroring every shimmer. In here, time slows to the rhythm of water and warmth. But the crown jewel lies beyond, the HydroSpa Lounge, a compact round pool that invites you to drift while watching the world roll by. The water glows faintly gold, warm to perfection, and a wide panoramic window stretches beside it, framing the landscape like a moving painting. As you sink into the water, the hum of the motorhome becomes the pulse of the earth beneath you. For those who find peace in movement, the Core Motion Cabin Gym offers everything within reach. A treadmill, an exercise bike, and a mirrored dumbbell wall align neatly along amber-lit panels. The air feels clean and focused, every motion amplified by light and shadow. It's discipline wrapped in design, a place where strength meets silence. And at the very front sits the Onyx Command Deck, the cockpit of control and beauty. 2 sculpted ivory seats face a sweeping dashboard that glows with amber interfaces and digital displays. The steering yoke, trimmed in chrome and leather, feels more spacecraft than vehicle. Above, a glass canopy arcs overhead, merging sky and machine in perfect symmetry. Every control responds to your touch, every command met with precision. When you return to the exterior, the scale of it all finally sinks in. The Lucid Origin isn't just built to travel, it's built to transform the idea of travel itself. From every angle, its layered decks reflect the changing sky. LED vanes trace its aerodynamic body, and when night falls, it becomes a moving constellation gliding silently across the highway. In design terms, this motorhome stands at the edge of possibility, combining aerospace engineering, yacht-level craftsmanship, and architectural design in one seamless form. Its shell alone would cost millions to craft, its technology millions more. Depending on configuration and materials, an estimate places it well within the multi-million-dollar range, rivaling private jets and ocean yachts alike. Yet, what it truly offers is something rarer than luxury: independence refined into art. Imagine owning not a home, but a horizon that moves with you, a self-contained world where the sunrise travels by your side. That's what the Lucid Origin represents, the future of mobility, born from design, powered by imagination. So, what would you explore if the world was your driveway and luxury followed wherever you roam? Comment below and let us know which part of this futuristic motorhome amazed you the most. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want to see more of the world's most luxurious and futuristic private motorhomes.